In Apo police station. So where is Ruth? Where is Ruth? We don't know where she is, and her phone has been switched off. Okay, so I don't know. Maybe I will ask if there is another police station around. Well done, Oga. Sorry, is there any other police station around here? Police station.
In front of what?
There is a crippled lady that was arrested yesterday. Okay. Yes.
This is Apo police station.
Yes, Apo. How are you?
Fine, now. You are the one. Oh,
that's right.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
They said she's not here, so I'm looking for another police station. Any other police station?
In Apo?
In Apo? Let's explain to you.
Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today is about Pastor Jeremiah. So the girl wey cry come out say the cripple girl wey cry come out say Pastor Jeremiah thief e pikin, say no gree give am e pikin back. And I know say the girl na cripple, the girl no dey waka. So ever since the matter we dey follow the case. So today now we come say the girl cry come out say they use police come take arrest am today. They use police come take arrest am today, my people. Mona listen, no. They use police come take arrest cripple wey no dey waka. Okay, when I want tell me say the cripple go just wake up, you don't know wetin one come talk again, go just come lie say Pastor Jeremiah say he collect e pikin. Okay, now to give am a pikin back, is the girl say they no want give am. All of them they threaten her. He say even prophetess Grace go call am, begin they threaten her for phone. Begin they tell am say make they beg am say make he forget about the pikin. Say they go give am money, make she no worry. Who go forget e pikin? No amount of money wey una go give that crippled girl wey the girl go say they happy. Okay, now we be say they don't arrest the girl. Now my people, somebody go there, may go look for the girl. The police station where the girl is saying they not see the girl. Now the girl they come they look for now. We never know what will happen to this girl now, because the girl say his children they ask alone and the children not safe. She they fear. And this video now for the whole world may they help this girl. May this girl not go suffer like that for nothing, my people. Una understand? I know the way Nigeria be now. Who not get money, you not get safe for that Africa. I don't know what it happen. What make Pastor Jeremiah collect the pikin from her. I don't really know. But anybody where they are aware, where know what it cause her, make they talk. Anybody where know say in go fit speak for this girl, make it talk. Because we don't really know what they happen now. We don't know the reason why Pastor Jeremiah collect the pikin from the girl. Why no one give am back, we don't know. So my people, I'll put the video of the way of when they look for the girl for the station. I go put the video more than saying that, my people. Thank you, my darling. But please help me to share the video. Let the video go viral. Bye.
In Apo police station. So where is Ruth? Where is Ruth? We don't know where she is. And her phone has been switched off. Okay, so I don't know. Maybe I will ask if there is another police station around. Well done, Oga. Sorry, is there any other police station around here? Police station.
In front of what?
There is a crippled lady that was arrested yesterday. Okay. Yes.
This is Apo police station.
Yes, Apo. How are you?
Fine, now. You are the one. Oh,
that's right.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
They said she's not here, so I'm looking for another police station. Any other police station?
In Apo?
In Apo? Let's explain to you. She's a crippled lady. She has 3 children. And she went to one church in Warri. Okay? So while there, one of the children disappeared. So she has been crying on social media, my child, my child. And that is the reason the pastor picked her up.
So he will pastor.
Yes,
Pastor.
we are all shocked.
Okay, now, how do you get information that there is?
While they were arresting her, somebody placed a call to her. Her phone is switched off now. So she was shouting. They said they are taking me to Apo police station. Apo police station. I'm just coming from Lagos now.
Now, maybe we can later know about not any
I wish there was
police officer here.
Yesterday,
Go out, go arrest them.
Yesterday by what time?
in the evening,
At the counter they said they don't.
they don't have any.
We don't have any.
They only have a woman there, and she's not crippled.
Maybe they will, what you don't know the name of the
area.
Her name is Ruth Matthew.
Do you know the area where she was arrested in Abuja? The shipping director.
yes, maybe the girl has a contact with that lady who is crippled. Abi?
No, I says unless that when they get contact with that woman, before they can know where she is.
So, are you done?
Okay, yeah,
They just use the name of Apo. It's not here.
okay. Let me make a call again. Good afternoon. Thank you very much. I'm looking for Ruth Matthew. Yes. No, she was put in detention here. She's a crippled lady. Yes. They said yesterday they arrested her. Her name is Ruth. Okay. Thank you very much. And you didn't help me to check the cell.
It's only one lady I have. Her name is not Table One. Her name is not.
Okay, okay. Okay, like us.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Sorry. So you have heard that Ruth is now in Apo police station. So where is Ruth? Where is Ruth? We don't know where she is. And her phone has been switched off. Okay, so I don't know. Maybe I will ask if there is another police station around. Well done, Oga. Sorry, is there any other police station around here? Police station.
In front of what?
There is a crippled lady that was arrested yesterday. Okay. Yes.
This is Apo police station.
Yes, Apo. How are you?
Fine now, you
Hi,
are the one
Evelyn.
calling. Oh,
That's right.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
They said she's not here, so I'm looking for another police station. Any other police station?
In Apo.